I'd like to take a sec to provide some feedback to the people who design and build loading ramps at ORV parks.
Oh, I want to point something out here. Whoever built this ramp, thank you very much for building the ramp. However,
when you unload a bike from a truck,
you're normally backing the bike up. You go into this really loose gravel, which is really difficult to deal with keeping the bike from falling over to start with, and then you have to pull the bike backwards up a hill. What were you thinking? But thanks for building the ramp anyway, okay?
Trying to back the bike up a hill while your feet keep slipping and sliding on loose gravel is kind of a no-go. When it came time to load my bike, I figured something else out. I came off the trail and stopped the bike at the top of the ramp, backed my truck up to the ramp, then noticed there's no easy access to the top of the ramp from the truck. You can either walk all the way around, or you can try climbing up either side of the ramp. I can't imagine it'd be too hard to put a small access trail on one side. Finally, back to the loose gravel. When I tried to bump my tire to get it up onto the tailgate, all the back tire did was spin in the gravel. I actually wound up using my ramp anyway to get up over this 1 foot difference. With all that said, the people that are maintaining the Foothills Trail System in Olympic National Park are doing an awesome job.